The Agriculture Minister, Audley Shaw, has responded to suggestions that the government has abandoned the sugar industry. The ministry has come under fire, but Mr. Shaw insists work is being done to help the sector. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Over the last few years, the sugar industry has taken a beating. And when the Monimus sugar factory closed in 2018, there was outrage. Few months ago, sugar farmers from the Golden Grove plant in St. Thomas demanded answers from the leadership of the factory and the government about the future of the plant. To date, nothing. Opposition spokesman on agriculture Fenton Ferguson has blasted the government and its lack of interest in the sugar industry. However, speaking at the 67th launch of the Denby Agriculture Show, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw made this assertion.
We're not abandoning sugar. We are right-sizing it and rationalizing it. Despite the closure of the Monimus factory, I am to indicate to you that the crop has been successfully reaped and is continuing to be reaped in Monimus and trucked to Worthy Park and to Appleton Estates. We have not had any complaints from the farmers. And we have taken care of the workers as well. We have paid them, although they haven't worked in the factory.
Those words, but for the farmers who've complained about their livelihoods being affected, that may bring little to no comfort. Mr. Shaw did not stop there.
Starting now, this year, this month, the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica is appropriating thousands of land is being leased to farmers, large, medium, small, to grow things and to raise animals and other things.
In the meantime, with the several crops affected by the recent dry spells, Mr. Shaw is insisting that things will improve.
So, on this 67th event of Denby, we can sprout again. We can sprout again. And guess what? It's sprouting time.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.